So how do you get photo experience when you don't have any clients? This is a question that I get sometimes with a lot of photographers who are just starting out. And I would say the biggest thing is remain as busy as you possibly can be. And what do I mean by that? So if you just started out with photography and you don't have any clients and you don't have any shoots lined up, you have friends more than likely. So what I would recommend is whatever skills you have, whatever skills you're practicing on, get a couple that you can practice on and tell them, hey, I want to do a shoot for you for free. And by doing that, it takes the pressure off of you that you have to over deliver. Especially in the beginning, that's a lot of pressure that they're paying you this stuff, it better come out. When you do it for free, it does take a little bit of that pressure off and it lets you be a little bit more creative. You can write things down, you can save photos that you've wanted to try, you can go out and get those shots that are gonna build that confidence in you. And not only that, now you're gonna have content that you can post, that you can use, that you can share with people. And here's the thing, just because you're giving away your work for free, just because you're gifting this couple a session doesn't necessarily mean that everybody needs to know that. They shouldn't actually, because it's none of their business. One thing that I tell our photographers when they're starting out, I'm like, think of a very good looking couple that you know and go and do an engagement session with them. Go and do a couple session with them if they're not engaged. And why do I say a good looking couple? Because let's be honest, guys, people want to see good looking people. It is what it is. I didn't make the rules. It's just, that's what society is like. That's why people who have very little talent sometimes are very, very famous. It is what it is. Go out there, think of a good looking couple that you know, schedule a shoot, do it at the right time, and if you get 10 good photos from that session, and you get 10 good photos from another session, and you get 10 good photos from another session from another couple or the same couple, whatever, in a different setting, you now have a very decent portfolio. Now, one thing that I always tell people is make sure that you have your pricing handy in case somebody asks, hey, I saw that engagement session that you did. How much is a session like that run? Don't be a silly goose and go, and then I'll let you have your pricing ready. Here you go. I have it written down, or I have it on my webpage. It's right here. Share it with them, and that way you're ready. Just because you did it for free for one person doesn't mean you need to do it for free for everybody. That's not how business grows. But by getting that content and posting it and using it, that's how people get to know you as a photographer. So I would say that that's one of the biggest things when you're starting out with photography is getting that content and building your confidence, because you're not gonna get it perfect. Hell, I don't get it perfect, and I've been shooting for 18 years. So don't expect to go out there and get it right from the get-go. But if you get 5, 10 good photos out of every shoot, that's how you're gonna build it. And I have a few other tips, but that's one thing that I wanted to make a really quick video, how to get content, how to get your confidence up, and how to get your name out there. Listen, in the beginning it's a little bit rough, and even once your business is running, there are gonna be, slowdowns and peaks and valleys, right? So there are times, I'll be honest with you guys, where like a week will go by and we don't get any hits on our website, and I go, what the, is this working? Because sometimes it has glitched a little bit and we've had to fix it. So I'll click it and I'll send it and I go, no, it's still working. Yeah, it's just one of those moments. Enjoy that time off, I guess, and work on other things like posting YouTube videos, like posting reels, like, making sure that everything on your Google pages, there's always something to do. Boredom is not an option, but I'm going off on a tangent. If you want to grow your portfolio, if you want to gain more content, that's a pretty good tip, I think. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you guys gained your photo experience in the beginning. And I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked what you saw, feel free to subscribe, and if you didn't, I don't know, we're about 4 minutes deep. I don't know why you're still watching. Anyway, I'm just messing. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, all right?